In this presentation, I'm going to talk to you about DSI cloud architecture and what switching to the cloud can mean for your business's bottom line, including boosting efficiency throughout your business processes and ultimately saving you money. Cloud migration is up and on-premises hosting is down. This means that people are turning their focus away from the actual hosting and management of IT solutions and infrastructure and letting companies specializing in cloud solutions host for them. This lets them focus on the operations side of their business. DSI has recognized these trends, and we've built a solution that allows our customers to migrate from on-premises to cloud solutions. What are some of the differences between cloud and on-prem architecture from an ownership perspective? One of the main differences with cloud architecture is that the hardware and software infrastructure is now owned and managed by DSI rather than installed on your own servers. DSI software is updated on a regular basis, meaning you are always on the latest and greatest version of the DSI digital supply chain platform and can eliminate the headache of manually checking for updates. Every cloud customer receives their own tenant, which runs a single instance of the DSI platform. That tenant contains all of your application information, your security information, and the data associated with your business. You maintain full administration and application development authority within your tenant. The only thing a customer is required to maintain is the Cloud Connect gateway, which links the public cloud platform servers to your private network in a secure way. A Cloud Connect gateway is only needed if your DSI solution requires access to your back office systems such as ERP, LDAP system, or databases. If you're printing labels, we would need the gateway to provide access to the printers in your network. Our cloud hosting environments are secure, compliant, reliable, and scalable. The systems have elastic scalability and provide isolated tenants so we can keep data secure for our customers. Now, let's take a very high look at cloud architecture. The major difference between on-prem and cloud implementations is where the application servers reside. Previously, these were referred to as trans servers for DC Link 4 and 5. In cloud architecture, your mobile clients, devices, and printers still reside in your manufacturing and distribution facilities, in the field, in your stores or service locations. Your back office systems can be located within your data center or hosted in a cloud solution such as Oracle Cloud, NetSuite, or Microsoft Azure. On the right side of the screen, we show back office solutions, the ERP, databases, and file systems such as Windows LDAP or file shares inside your data center. In front of your data center is a firewall. With cloud infrastructure, your devices connect via the internet. The Cloud Connect gateway server inside your data center provides access into your private network. This requires opening of outbound and inbound ports in your firewall, which we will discuss shortly. We provide each tenant with a customized URL based on a public DNS entry so that your devices don't have to connect to a specific IP address. They connect to your tenant's URL and will sign in as they would with an on-prem solution. When your gateway starts up, it utilizes an outbound port to connect to the platform servers to announce it's online. And then it uses a customer-definable inbound port on which the cloud platform server will establish a secure connection using an SSL certificate provided by you. The SSL certificate is to authenticate the request from the gateway to ensure a secure connection. You need a commercially certifiable domain certificate so that DSI can authenticate the gateway. The secure pipeline gives DSI access to the gateway and the resources within your internal network. A cloud implementation can easily integrate with other hosted or cloud solutions such as NetSuite, JDE Cloud, Microsoft Dynamics, and do not require a gateway server unless you have LDAP, custom databases, or window file share requirements in your DSI solution. DSI can go directly from cloud to cloud, and we establish a conveyor connection communication between your tenant and your cloud-based solution. So how do you start your journey to the cloud? Regardless if you're a large customer with extensive business needs or a smaller customer with a shorter list of needs, DSI has a proven success with all types of accounts. First, we will evaluate your existing system to see if cloud is an option for you. In most cases, it is. Second, we will review your apps requiring upgrades to give you a general idea of what will be required to upgrade your apps from their current version to the cloud version. Then we scope the project. We start with a kickoff meeting and conduct an ADW, the Architecture Design Workshop, which focuses on identifying your printers and your back office configuration. We provide you with this information to provision a Cloud Connect Gateway server if required for your specific environment. Next, your IT staff will provision the Cloud Connect Gateway server and prepare for installation. DSI will request your apps and label templates. Once the gateway is ready for installation, our cloud operations team will create your tenant, and our infrastructure services team will work with your IT staff to install a gateway. Once installed, configured, and validated, our team will upload your applications and prepare them for unit testing. We test them using data you provide to run through our standard execution and ensure that they're interfacing and integrating with your back office systems appropriately. The next step in the upgrade process is to hand the converted and unit tested applications to you for user acceptance testing. While DSI does most of the groundwork, it is essential for you to complete an end-to-end user acceptance test on all applications and run through every business scenario used in your current environment. Once a successful UAT is complete, we prepare and move your applications into your production environment. Then we provide support while you migrate your users to the new cloud implementation. At Go Live, we connect devices to the cloud and turn the users loose. In summary, DSI Cloud Inventory Services gives your business a secure and flexible solution to completely transform your operation. Operating in the cloud gives you the ability not only to optimize business processes, but also to gain a competitive advantage over your competition. Your migration to the cloud can be as simple as evaluate, propose, execute, and go. To start your journey now, get in contact with our expert cloud team at dsiglobal.com.